To create custom jigsaw puzzles in Canva, start by dropping your image onto the canvas and adjusting its size and position as needed. Go to Apps on the left sidebar, search for Jigsaw Puzzle, and open the app. In the basic settings, choose your tab size and set the jitter. Go to Advanced Settings and adjust the line width, then choose a line color. For tab number, choose based on your shape. For image size, choose the same dimensions as your canvas. Once done, click Export as SVG to design and the puzzle will be added to your canvas. Finally, adjust the size of the puzzle on your canvas as needed.